Okay, so loading material into the C6500. So open the top. You can remove the spindle, and then by squeezing these, remove the end. So here's the sample roll that came with the printer. It is actually quite difficult to push that to the end. And then just push the core in. That's your labels fitted onto the core. So drop this inside. So I just find the end of my labels. And basically push them into the printer. The printer has found it, so you've got an adjustable guide on the side here. So I'm just going to put that to the edge. And I close the lid. And if I take you around to the front, press the pause button. Feeds my material through, and the printer is now reporting ready to print.